Hello friends, this is Yasir Munir and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use async storage in React Native. I will explain you with a very simple example. So let's start. First of all, I go to my Google Chrome and here I write async async storage and hit. Just open this community async storage because React Native deprecate async storage package from its official site. So simply open this and copy this and paste it in your editor. I paste it here and the installation is start. And here is my simple code. This represents only a simple view with provide a text that is React Native. So my package is installed successfully. Let's check it from package.json file. And where is it? Here it is. React Native community async storage. Okay, now let's start. First of all, I create a cycle in my React Native project. What is cycle? Basically, a cycle is used when we want to add an auth or any type of functionality similar to auth. Moreover, we use cycle when we are working with any type of databases, and whenever we use a function that will call anytime when a render call again and again. So let's start coding. First of all, create before this render a cycle, and that is component did mount. Oops, this is component did catch. Simply add component did mount, and you can see there are several type of components. These all are cycles. Component did catch, component did mount, component did update, component will unmount. These are used accordingly. So I use here component did mount, and this is a function. And whenever this code call, in every time this component did mount call automatically. This is just like a constructor in React Native. So in this I add here async, and inside this I add here a log console.log, and inside this log I add here start the code, and here I write async storage dot set item, and here I give a variable just like Yasir, and here I write the value of Yasir, and value is my project. After that, write here also a console.log, and in it I write here values are set successfully fully. After that, write here const value is equal to async storage dot get item, and that is Don't worry, I will explain you after writing the code. Console.log, and write here get value successfully, and write here also another console.log, and write here value, and write here await, and also write here await. That's it. So what is doing in this code? First of all, this log show that means my code is start automatically without calling this cycle inside this name. Okay, so first of all this log call. After that async storage set this item into this value. This is actually a value and this is a variable. We set our project inside this Yasir variable. After that we show a message that is values are set successfully, and after that we get this value here and give this value to this value, and after that console this value and here show a message get value successfully. I write here async storage, where is it, that is deprecated. Okay, I write here import async storage from React community async storage. Control save and let's run this full code. npx react native run android. And our app is running successfully, and here is an error, async storage has already been declared. So here it is declared. I erase this and control save and reload my project from here. So here we go, our project is running successfully. Let's go to my console. This is my console and you can see first of all my index.js file is running. Here it is. After that my project, this render function is called, and in last this function is called. What this function is doing? How you can understand it. First of all, console.log shows start the code, and here is our code is, and here our code is starting, and after that we set the value my project into Yasir, and after that I console values are set successfully, and here we show the message, and after that I assign this get value to value, and after that console this value from here, and this is my value, my project, and after that I display a message that is get value successfully. So this is the phenomena of async storage. Through async storage you can store your data locally in your any device, just like if you are in web or and using just like Facebook, then your first login is automatically saved in your cache, in your device cache. That is the logic behind async storage. And the next step is, what is these two keywords? These two keywords are used because when we use async storage, we want to handle the performance of our project. So in this case, this await keyword work only with the combination of async storage. This await keyword say to the code, please wait and perform this task first. Here I use await to set my project value into Yasir. Until this run, the all code wait for a while. So this await is used to give some time to that specific task. That is the working of await with combination async. So thank you for today's video.